Watch this video to learn how to switch the language on an Air Canada screen. Visit the official Air Canada website and select the language and currency option located in the top right corner of the navigation bar. In the modal, click the drop-down under Select Language. Select Francais or any other available options from the drop-down menu. Press the Confirm button in the pop-up window. You'll notice that the entire website's language has now been updated. If you wish to switch back to English, just select the Language and Currency drop-down in the navigation bar again. In the modal, click on the Current Language option. Select English from the Language drop-down. Click the Confirmer button to confirm the language change.